Hail Mallrat hobbyists! This is the OC Mallrat and welcome to OCM Hobbies. In this video we will be unboxing the Bandai Namco Star Wars vehicle model number 2. This is the 10144 scale X-Wing Starfighter kit. Yeah. So Bandai Spirits 2016 made in Japan. This is the classic. You guys can see that's you can see the round full engines, not the half the ones from the sequel. So this is the original X-Wing Starfighter, the Incom T65A X-Wing Starfighter that we were introduced to in Episode 4 New Hope, and so on until Return of the Jedi. So yeah, finally got myself one. I've had the Y-Wings and the A-Wings for the longest time, but I couldn't find an X-Wing. And as of 2025, Bandai has started producing these again, I guess. So, yay, I guess. Hopefully they make the other stuff. I don't have a B-Wing yet. Anyway, so it's a small box. You guys can see I got it from Toy Kingdom for 429 pesos. Got it on sale though, because of the SM 3-day sale. Which, if you guys want to see, check out my videos on SM 3-day sales over at the OC Mallrat channel. But let's continue with the unboxing. Yeah, so X-Wing. The X-Wing is a versatile Rebel Alliance starfighter that balances speed with firepower, armed with 4 laser cannons, 2 proton torpedo launchers. The X-Wing can take on whatever, blah 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 blah. That's Disney Star Wars lore, so screw that. Bandai Spirits, blah 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 blah. Let's check it out. You need no glue needed, but you do need a cutter. Hopefully there are no funky parts. Oh yeah, so here's the thing they've been doing with their 1144 boxes is that there is no manual anymore. Instead, the manual stuff is printed right on the box. So there's an ad for the X-Wing, that's this kit, and then the Millennium Falcon. That's a 172 X-Wing, and then the 1144 Millennium Falcon. So that's that. And then the instructions. Oh, this looks a little complicated. The instructions are printed on the inside of the cover. So let's check out what's in it. Wow, it looks very complicated. Way more complicated than I thought it would be for a 1144 kit. For a 1144 kit, this has a lot of sprues. So first, there's the sticker sheet. It's Bandai. They don't do decals, they do stickers so that casuals can sticker stuff on, but decent modelers will be doing paints anyway. Sticker, vehicle model 002, X-Wing Starfighter, Lucasfilm Limited, blah blah blah. You can see the cockpit is there. The wing markings are there. So yeah, you can only make red squadron X-Wing. So the nice thing with painting is that you can make any. You can paint it any way you want. So wow, that's the S foils need spruce. Anyway, so first there's BM1, your typical. This is 2016. Bandai 2016. That is your typical 1144 Bandai Star Wars stand, flying base stand, whatever. So comes with one of those, single one. The A-Wing comes with 2. There are 4 sprues because the X-Wing is a complicated looking craft. No wonder they haven't come up with a B-Wing that's 1144. I have the Y, I have the A's, and the A's come in boxes of 2. So there's 4 sprues. A1, A2, A3, and A4. Okay. And A1 and A2 have the wings, the S-foils, and then the engine nacelles. While A3 and A4 have the fuselage, the cockpit, and then the laser cannons. These are, if I remember correctly, tail and back laser cannons for 4 of them. I used to play X-Wing back in the day, and pretty cool to fire them. When they never do linked fire in the movies, they also do, well, I think they do the cross link stuff, but they never 4 at the same time, which is always my way to fight with an X-Wing. Anyway, so A1 Lucasfilm, blah blah blah, X-Wing Starfighter. Okay. PS. Okay. So, actually big, huh? Because if it's that big and then the wings are that big, so it's gonna be that big. This is a decently sized 1144 model. Pretty good for, used to be $300, I think $350, but they raised prices now, so they're $430, I guess. Yeah, there you go, guys. Oh, one thing, once again, is that even though you need cutters, you need very sharp cutters for the laser cannons, because these are thin. These might break. Those aren't connected anymore. The tips of the cannons, you can see, tips of the cannons are not connected, but you can see the sides are, and those need to be cut carefully so you don't break the cannon. So you probably need some very sharp tools like god hand nippers or something like that. Once again, hey, wait, dude, they do not have a sticker for the astromech droid. These things normally have an R2, an R unit, an R2, an R4 unit, and there he is. This one has an R2 on it because it's supposed to be Luke's X-Wing, I guess. But there's no sticker, so yeah. Of course, decent modeler will just assemble it and then prime, and then just brush on the stripes that you want, and then wash it, and then there you go. Okay. So anyway, it's not that complicated. A little bit more complicated than the Y-Wing was complicated. The X-Wing, the A-Wings are not, and TIE Fighters are not. Okay, even the Blockade Runner is not. So anyway, there you go, guys. That was the Bandai Namco Star Wars plastic model kit. This is the 1144 scale vehicle model 2 X-Wing Starfighter or T-65 X-Wing. Your classic, the most classic, aside from the TIE Fighter, the most classic ship from the Star Wars saga, and no sequel shit here. You can see full 4 engines instead of the half circles that they used for the sequel, which are what X-Wings, I guess, were in their original incarnation when they were drawn by Christopher was it Christopher? Ralph McQuarrie, I think. Yeah, but anyway, there you go, guys. That's the X-Wing. Okay, so video help you guys in any way? If you guys like the video, give the video a like. Subscribe to the channel for more unboxings and other hobby stuffs, maybe paintings and stuff, like tutorials or just time lapse of stuff I assemble and paint. There you go. Take note, this is the OCM Hobbies channel where we do our hobby stuff. Our main channel is over at the OC Mallrat, the OC Mallrat, where we do conventions and trade fairs and expos. If you guys like that, swing by, take a look, maybe stick around if you like what you see. Anyway, X-Wing. I have larger the 172 scale over here. So if you guys want to check that out, check that video. But there you go. So see you guys in my other videos. Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.